Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on that IICS tutorial series about subscriber questions. How to delete a particular data in target side. So we are going to create the mapping for that. First we want to take the source and target. Okay, here we are going to take our source and target from Oracle SQL only. We are going to take. Now see here in the left side this is my source and right side this is my target. Okay. In this left side, that is select star from employees. In this employees table, we are going to delete the range 109 to 115 records we are going to delete. Okay. So these records we are going to delete. In the target side we are going to delete. First we want to create the table. Okay. Create table T underscore employees as select star from HR dot employees 1. I already written this one. Now just select the statement and execute it. Once the statement it is getting executed, the table it is getting created without having any data because we have given that condition it is false conditions. Now just retrieve the data. The data it is not available here. Okay. Now go to data integration and create the mapping. New mapping and create the mapping. First we want to give the mapping name. Here my mapping name it is M underscore target underscore deletions. Okay, so this is my mapping name. Next we want to take our source and connection we want to give it. Okay, first give the connection here. Next take the source object. Here our object it is employees table. Just select the object from the list and click on OK. Now we have taken our source. Okay. Now go to target and maximize this one. In target connection it is Oracle TGT, that is target 1. Next take that object. Here the object it is T underscore employees. Now click on OK. Now our operation it is insert only. Okay. Now go to advanced options. Here I am going to write one SQL query statement. Okay. Delete from table name. Here our table name it is T underscore employees. Give the conditions where the employee ID range between the certain range 109 and 114. So this is my range. Okay, now go to field mapping and map the field. Here the source and target both are having same, so that's the reason I'm just giving that automatic. Now save the mapping. The mapping it is valid. Now start to run the mapping. Okay, it automatically redirect to the my job sessions. There we can get the status. First it is status starting, then it is queue, then it is running, then we can get the status whether it is success or warning or rejected. Now see here the data it is 105, it is processed from the source and data it is going to target 105 record. But when we check in this Oracle SQL, okay, T underscore employees table, there will be only few records it will be deleted. Now execute the statement select star from T underscore employees in core schema. Okay. Now if you are executing this statement, the data from 109 to 114 data it is getting deleted because we have applied that SQL statement in PostSQL. In target side we have applied. That's the reason here we are some of the record and all it is getting deleted. Okay. Now just do that count rows. Now see here there is only 100 record it is present, that is 100 rows it is present in that target core schema. Okay. Now in the left side this is my source here. Now just count the rows here. Here 105 rows it is present. Okay. Now you can get to know that the data it is getting deleted in the target side, that is 5 data it is getting deleted. Okay. So this way we can do the mapping. for deletions of record in target side. Okay, and thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. And if you have any questions or doubts in SQL or IICS or data warehousing Linux, please post the comment in the below. We will discuss on the upcoming sessions. Thank you.